Yeah, oh yeah.
We'd like to ask that you please subscribe, hit the like button, and the notify to stay current with our content. Thank you.
Welcome to my game, mortal. I'm the dealer who always knows when to hold 'em and when to fold 'em. My bony fingers have dealt with the best and the worst. So you think you got what it takes to outsmart me? Then take a seat and let's see what you're made of. I deal in fear and fortune. Whiskey, cigars, and a deck of cards are all I need to make your nightmares come true. Don't let my skeletal appearance fool ya. I know how to play this game. The question is, do you, kid? Well, look at that. Looks like I have myself a dead man's hand. Lucky for you that it was dealt to me, since I don't have any skin in the game. But then again, I don't have any skin at all. Are you feeling lucky, punk? Well, you better be, because you're playing with the best. I've seen it all and won it all. From cheaters to cowards, kings to beggars. But don't let that scare you. The buy-in is just your soul. Hey, guys and dolls, take a seat, pour yourself a drink, and let's see if you've got the skills to match your courage. If you can beat me, you'll earn my respect and get to keep your soul. And trust me, that is not an easy feat. Just ask the other boys here. No one has made it out alive.